It's great to see so many people here. You know, not everyone's always seen jet ski racing. It's a little bit of a fringe sport for a lot of people. It's not like Formula 1 or touring cars. So, bringing it to a place like this where there's lots of people walking around this lovely lake, they get to see something completely different. So, Doncaster done a great job.
Well, yeah. And so you're thinking of coming back to jet ski full time?
No, it was just a one-off event for cancer research. This will be it for me after this weekend. But we wanted to raise some money. It was a great event to come back to. So we're thoroughly enjoying it, and I think we've set ourselves a target of £3,000 to raise for cancer research. And as of last night, we were over 3,300.